Value investing is a time-tested way of making money in the stock market. Many of you have questions about this great strategy, so we interviewed our friend Teofemi Favoud, graduate from Columbia University School of Business, to answer your burning questions about value investing.
Is value investing a good idea?
It's a very good idea. It grounds you. It grounds you because I don't know anyone who claims to be a value investor who buys on impulse, right? So from the philosophy we started with, if you're going into the market and saying, I'm looking to buy businesses, I'm looking to buy securities for less than what they're worth, then you have to have a reference point. It forces you to figure out, how do you figure out you're buying something less than what it's worth? So you have to have some intuition or some reference point of what you think it's worth. So when you ask the question, is it a good idea? It's a good idea in terms of it forces you to put a price or an expected price on a business or security before you go out there to buy it. And if it's below what you think it is, then you will think you're getting value at the time. And then you have to wait to see if it pans out. If it's above what you think it is, then you might be like, this is not for me. I think it's way overpriced. But it's good in the sense that it forces you to have, it's like going into a job interview, right? You're like, oh, if I can get X, salary on this job interview, it'd be great. If they offer you way more than that, you might not even negotiate. Like, perfect. If they offer you way lower than what you're expecting, you might be like, wait a minute, maybe this is not for me. But if you go into that job interview, have no sense of what you're looking for, and then you get offered, you have to figure that out. But think about, you go into the market thinking, I think this company should be trading around X, Y, or should be worth this much. And depending on what the market gives you, you decide whether you want to go in or not. So I think it's good in that sense. It forces you to come up with your own pricing, so to speak.